for you real quick. I'm sorry that I'm like super behind videos. I think I've only missed 1 week so far, but compared to what I normally am on getting things ready, I'm very behind. But I just need to sit down and film it for Birchbox. I'm sorry about the hair and everything. This is basically my household at this point, and today my husband had to get his wisdom teeth removed. So we're just at home and I've just been cleaning and stuff. So let's go ahead and get started. This is how the box looks. It's like super like shiny and stuff. It's got like pretty pink and stuff like that. They actually have like a new packaging, so it's got like tissue paper and stuff like that in it as well. And they also have a $15 off thing in here. So let's see what's first. The first thing I have in here is Ceramidin cream. The full size is $48. This cream is packed with ceramides, making it a powerful hydrator that boosts skin's moisture retention. Use after cleansing, pat a nickel-sized amount on the skin. So this is just a moisturizer. I believe that I either have this one or one like it that I've gotten to try before. So I will do a review on these once I start using them. The next thing that I have in here is Kiehl's Midnight Recovery Concentrate. The full size is $49. Get your beauty sleep with this facial serum made with lavender essential oil and then evening primrose oil to make your skin look refreshed by morning. The use for this is to massage 2 or 3 drops into skin after cleansing. So again, this is another kind of like moisturizer kind of thing. So this is another one that I will try and do a review on as soon as possible. I like also on this that they've added the use for things because there were times that I wasn't 100% sure. So that's like really cool. The next thing that I have in here is let's see, I'm trying to figure out which is which. I think the Alterna Caviar Anti-Aging Replenishing Moisture CC Cream. The full size is $29. And it says the Slightly cream provides 10 benefits: moisture, shine, smoothness, softness, hold, manageability, strength, and protection from breakage, heat, and UV protection. The use for it is to distribute evenly through damp hair and style as desired. So that's super cool. I'm always looking for things to make my hair look nicer, so I will definitely be trying this soon. The next thing in here is the Roller Lash Mascara. The Roller Lash Super Curling and Lifting Mascara, full size is $25. This mascara's brush is made with tiny soft hooks that instantly catch, curl, and separate each lash. You wiggle the wand from base to tip, then curl up for extra lift. If you guys don't already know, mascaras are one of my favorite things to test, so I'm super excited to try this. And I will be getting to it as soon as possible. I have quite a few mascaras, so I'm trying to go through them all. The next thing in here is the Tarte Tarteist Glossy Lip Paint. I actually already have this. I think I got it from Ipsy, so I might give this one to my cousin. The full size of this is $20, and it says the saturated pinky nude shade glides on like a gloss, yet has the color payoff for lipstick. For extra precision, use the tip of the wand to outline your lips, then use the flat surface of the wand to shade in color. And the last thing I have in here is the R & Co Aniline Cleansing Foam Conditioner. The full size is $32, and it says get nourished and soft your hair with this 2-in-1 foam that cleanses and hydrates hair without weighing it down. Massage a small amount from roots to ends, then rinse. So, I guess that it says it cleans and moisturizes, so I guess this is like a 2-in-1 kind of thing. So I will definitely be trying this soon. And I'm going to go ahead and finish up there. I hope that you guys have enjoyed this video. I didn't want to make it too long since I want to go back out to my husband, but I really needed to get it filmed. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye guys!